Hi there. In the previous video, we saw how we can use the Apryse mobile SDK and Flutter to view and edit PDFs on an Android device, and how we can modify the UI. In this video, we will look at how we can modify the document itself and see how to work around an easy pitfall. We're going to start off by creating a new function, and we'll copy in code from the Apryse Flutter documentation. We're going to make two modifications. The easy to understand is the second one. In this, we're going to add a bookmark called page 1, though we could call it anything we wish. And it's going to be on the 0th page, since the PDF is 0 indexed. The second modification is that we're going to import an annotation in XFDF format. If we scroll across, we can see that we're going to insert a rectangle on the page with index 1, that is, the second page. Now we just need to call our new function after opening the document. So we'll save our code and restart. And as we scroll up, we find that on page 2, there isn't an annotation. What's more, there isn't a bookmark either. What's gone wrong? If we look back to the logging, we see that there's a message about asynchronous suspension. And if we hover over Open Document, then it informs us that it's actually returning a future, and we haven't allowed that to resolve before we call Modify Document. As such, there is no document for us to work with, and we get the error. Fortunately, this is easy to fix. All we need to do is to create a new function, which we'll call showDocument. And we need to pass in the config file, and we'll mark it as async. Then we copy Open Document and Modify Document into our new function, and mark Open Document as await. And finally, we just need to call showDocument, passing in the config, in our original function. Okay, let's save that and restart. And now when we look at our document, if we scroll up to page 2, we'll find that our annotation is now present, and so is our bookmark. That's a great result. Thanks for watching. See you next time.